Hi again, everybody. Traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. We're spending, about 2 weeks, it seems, here in the state of North Carolina. That's why you're seeing a lot of videos on the channel about North Carolina. Because in between my work details, well, I'm checking out some of the communities for you as well. And today's stop is Clinton, North Carolina. Been around since the mid-1800s. It was named, I think, for someone in the American Revolution. I don't remember the exact war hero it was, but you can check that out. Anyway, what do you say? We'll just kind of walk around the downtown area and show you what Clinton looks like. Yep, we're in downtown, and they got a sign there welcoming you to downtown Clinton. Now, across the street here, there's some kind of little, well, not little, it's a big piece of art. Let's walk over there and see what that is. Well, I'm not really sure what you would call it, but it's actually pretty cool looking. Looks to be made out of glass. Let's walk up here and we'll see exactly what this art is made of. Yeah, it's glass, and it's been painted, and it looks really cool to really, again, that's right at the entrance to downtown Clinton. Then around the corner over there, there's a furniture store, something called Sampson Partners. And then off in this direction, another shop called Matthews, where you go to get some gifts. A lot of gift shops in the downtown. So here we are walking along Main Street, and an old-time looking barber shop there. And I'm going to tell you, I've already seen 5 or 6 places you can get your hair done. Here's an old Rexall drug sign. And, yeah, the drugstore has one of those counters in there, but it looks closed. You know what I'm talking about, a soda fountain counter. And as we continue along the street here, off in the distance, let me kind of point it out to you right over there. That's the Sampson County Courthouse. And then next to it, that's the Sampson County Courthouse Extension there. So that's the judicial building. And you got a really big, nice, cool clock. You see that up there? It says Clinton, North Carolina, and by golly, it keeps good time. I believe that's exactly what it is, 5 till 3. There's a little better shot of the courthouse. It's really not the traditional southern style courthouse that you normally see. You can see it's got a center, and it's got the 2 ends there. I wonder if it was expanded on over the years. But anyway, that's the courthouse. And look at here, we got a radio station downtown. Oldies 1170 AM, and I think the studio is right behind the glass in there. As we continue along Main Street here, another gift shop. Again, I've seen 2 or 3, 4 of those. And then there's one of these old-time pianos here that they encourage you to play. In fact, let's see. Yep, it works indeed. And of course, what's a downtown without a coffee shop? Here we go. North Carolina Roasted Specialty Coffees. Gifts. Oh yeah, more gifts. Grown, produced, and crafted right here in North Carolina. And then right over there, well, that's Sharon's Country Diner. Home, it says, of the Country Ham Breakfast. And then across the way, there's a place called Alfredo's. I'm guessing that's probably an Italian restaurant. You can see, you can just continue walking around the square there. Again, everything built around the courthouse in the center. Again, that's very, very common here in the South. So that's about it for downtown Clinton, North Carolina. If you're in this part of the world, you might want to check it out. We're not that far from Fayetteville, North Carolina. Of course, home to Fort Bragg. That's the largest military installation in the world, if memory serves me correct. So I'm sure you know someone who's probably been through Fayetteville, and maybe they came over and spent a little time in Clinton as well. Hey, keep watching, keep subscribing, share it, give it a thumbs up, whatever the heck you want to do, and check out the podcast too, Love Letters to Pam. Until we see you that next time, have a great day, better yet, a better tomorrow, and bye now from Clinton, North Carolina.